Here at Muffakham Jah College, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Surveyors, they find it very fortunate if the weather is very pleasant and favorable. That's a friendly gesture for them. Otherwise, if it is sunny, although they could accomplish or not accomplish, it's not a pleasant day, to be frank. Here at Muffakham Jah College, we are surveying the groundwater. Meteorology has cooperated very much. It has been cloudy, sunny, and even chilly very early in the morning, all together in this day. You need to understand that there has been lot of expenditure, know-how, intelligence into astronomy and meteorology, but not much has been put into hydrogeology, hydro-aquifer mapping, and groundwater hydrology. Here at Hyderabad, WASSAN is trying to gauge the water, groundwater, how does it conduct itself, how does it behave, and it is trying to bring some metrics onto board and present few papers or present few presentations here in Hyderabad city. The groundwater analysis is happening with WASSAN along with their beneficiary institutions, educational institutions. Welcome to the world of humanity, welcome to the world of passion, and welcome to the world of innovation. Here at Muffakham Jah College today, nearly 15 to 20 students have gathered, all civil engineering students. They found water resources engineering, hydrology, watershed engineering to be interesting or very much practically presented to them, in front of them today, tangentially. So now they are being practically involved, they are indulged in practical experiments with groundwater hydrology, and they would like to put something on paper, refer their textbooks and bring both of them on board and do something and try to realize what they have studied, what they do in their examinations or what they present in their examinations, and practically what really happens in their campus here at Muffakham Jah College. We are here to conduct pumping test, which is very rare, very rarely done even by the governments. WASSAN is conducting these pumping tests, aquifer research tests, discharge tests, and also percolation tests here in Muffakham Jah College and their other beneficiary engineering colleges. We have been pumping the borewell here from the last 3 to 4 hours, and we'll be continuing to do so for another 4 to 5 hours in the evening, and we'll also be gauging or matriculating the recuperation, how soon or how late or how delayed does the groundwater again get back to its static level. Let us see how we have been doing all this day long.
I am Dr. Khamar Sultana, Associate Professor of Civil Engineering Department of Muffakham Jah College of Engineering and Technology. The WASSAN organization has collaborated with MJCT Civil Department to take up the project for pumping, recuperation, percolation test, and as well as the discharge test. This test was very beneficial for the students as they have the subject in the third year of their curriculum, the groundwater engineering, wherein this groundwater exploration they would not have got the exposure so easily through any of the organization. Indeed, it's a very we are grateful for the WASSAN organization for taking up this project. The students have got exposure how to measure the groundwater levels for every moment after the pumping was started, and also they will be getting to know the recuperation once the pumping has stopped. So it's a very good opportunity for the students here. Like we have earlier we have tried also like the central government board here, but we could not get this test here. only in specialized in other universities they would have got it, but at this bachelor levels they are getting this opportunity to see that and hold the machinery and also look into that how to take water levels. So indeed it's a very good opportunity for them. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Asma Sultana from Muffakham Jah Engineering College. We are from Civil Engineering Department. I am the assistant professor and taking the subjects of hydrology and groundwater engineering. Our students have well versed with the theoretical knowledge in doing the recuperation test, pumping test and discharge test. But today the WASSAN has given us opportunity to practically do the problems in our campus, and they are finding out the data by collecting the data by machinery practically at different various points and going to plot the graph, semi-log graph and normal graphs, and finding out what is the transmissibility and permeability of the aquifer and how the aquifer is working properly or not, and what are the solutions to be given to further improve it. I'm really thankful to the WASSAN organization to give this opportunity to understand the subject practically, and it is easy to understand the subject by the practical version which is given by the WASSAN.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Haidar Abbas Nadeem, a student studying in third year civil engineering, Muffakham Jah College Engineering and Technology. Today we have got an opportunity to do a hands-on experiments on 3 different types of testing, like penetration of groundwater, pumping of groundwater and all that with WASSAN organization. This collaboration had made us have an opportunity to learn practical things that we have learned in our classes, such as water resource engineering, hydraulic engineering. These subjects that we have learned theoretically in our classrooms, we have got an opportunity to do it hands-on practically.
Hello everyone, this is Abdul Roh Chauhan from Muffakham Jah College of Engineering and Technology. Currently I am in third year, and today we got the opportunity WASSAN conducting 3 experiments in our college. First is percolation test, second is discharge test, and third is pumping test. Thank you so much WASSAN for organizing these 3 experiments in our college. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Abdul Kareem from Muffakham Jah Engineering College. I am currently doing my third year in civil engineering. Today we really got a good opportunity from WASSAN. We got more briefly to learn about water table and aquifers. We had a subject in our third year called water resource engineering. We also got to learn more about percolation, infiltration, etc. Thank you WASSAN for conducting this in our college, Muffakham Jah Engineering College. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Syed Ali. I am from second year pursuing my civil engineering. So today we perform percolation test using infiltrometer. So this activity was very insightful.
Hi, this is Mohammad Abubakar from MJSET Civil second year. Today we did many tests to test the aquifer level of Hyderabad with percolation test and infiltration test. Thank you WASSAN Group for providing this opportunity on field.
Hi, my name is Aisha Fatima and I belong to Civil Engineering Department, and I am currently in my second year of study at MJSET. And today it was a wonderful session organized by the WASSAN Group, and today we had 3 tests conducted, that is the pumping test and discharge test and as well as the percolation test. And it was indeed an insightful session. We got to learn a lot about the aquifers and the water table, and I thank WASSAN Group for providing us this opportunity, and it was a practical and hands-on experience. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Mirza Suleiman Beg and I am third year from civil engineering. I am pursuing my education from MJCET College. Today in our college, WASSAN organization has conducted an activity to identify the borewell capacity of underground water level, and we have tested 3 tested on this groundwater level, such as pumping test and percolation test, and finally we found out how much discharge is passing through the borewell. So by this test we get the knowledge about how to measure the water level of the ground level, and that we get the knowledge of how to identify the depth of the water level by using the water level indicator, and we use penetration test for on the soil to know the how much percolation of water is getting by using the test. So I am very thankful for WASSAN organization to conducted this test. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Mohammad Abdul Khizar from MJSET. Today we have conducted percolation test and measured the depth of borewells across our campus. I have learned this in theory in my hydrology chapter, but today I got to know how it's actually done. So thanks to WASSAN Group.